Good evening, everybody. Douche. Another one. And another COD, so yeah. I would use AliExpress, however it takes a lot longer. Plus the fact they don't have all these. Sometimes they don't have them. And yeah, I like to see what's coming out new, so every time I contact a manufacturer I ask them to let me know when they bring out a new model or a new design, something like that. Anyway, let's have a look to see what's going on with this. Oh dear, right. This is pretty tough. Okay. Right. Oh, this is the one where they've sent me two. I'm guessing it's two of the same thing, so let's just open one of them first. Oh, it's Baofeng. So, which one is this? This is the UV21 series. So I'm not too sure which version it is, but it's the UV21. Okay, so we have the manual. Let's put the radio to one side for the minute. And what have we got? Okay, the antenna, as usual. It's quite a thin one looking one, but anyway. We have a USB cable, which is USB-C. Some sort of bracket. Not exactly sure what that's for. Then we have a lanyard, or a need to wrap it around your hand or whatever. Then we have the, what's this? Oh yeah, it's the little microphone headpiece. Okay. And the charger. A bit of a hefty thing, this one compared to normal. Okay, with a North American plug. And the belt clip. Okay. So let's have a look at the radio itself. So we have the battery and the radio. Okay. Lithium-ion, high capacity. Okay, so let's get it out. So it's going to 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a down, middle, up, and a PTT. Got the light on the top. I'm guessing that's the transmit and receive LED. Okay. Yeah, it's needs to be nice. What do you have on this side? You have the door for the, alright, it's the so the Kenwood type charger, I mean the 10-wood type programming cable. Okay, and the battery. Okay. Ah, what's that? Oh, it's a battery. There. Oh, must be to seal the battery in, but look at this. So we got a base unit, but it also looks like it has a charging. It does, on the back of the battery itself. And that must be the charging indicator. Oh, nice. I think all radios should have this now, where they have a USB charger on it, and not just the main charging unit. Okay, let's get this put in then. Okay, I don't have it. I'll just gently twist that in. It doesn't clip into place. It looks like you have to screw it into place. And I'm completely unprepared, as I didn't know this is an unboxing. You need a screwdriver, a flathead one, so let's just gently twist around and destroy my nail in the process, just to get it on there. Ow. Right, okay, so let's put the antenna on. Bit of a flimsy antenna. Okay, connect this in. Look at that antenna. Okay, let's turn it on.
Channel mode.
Okay, welcome, channel mode. Okay. So we've got AB switching between the top one and bottom one. Bit of a wobble when it does that. Okay. So we got
Frequency mode.
frequency mode,
Channel mode.
channel mode.
Frequency mode.
Okay.
Channel mode.
Frequency and channel. A, B, sorry, B and A. That must be exit. It's not doing anything at the moment. Menu.
Menu.
So it's squelch. Reset. Okay, so let's start from there. It's squelch. Step. Power. Power save. Fox level. Bandwidth. Backlight. D-wait. Beep. DOT. CTCS and DCS's. Voice on. ID. ESCO. The usual. Scan mode. Oh yeah. PTTID. MDF A frequency, MDF B frequency. Busy lock. That's for the offsets. Okay. Hopping. Okay, so squelch. So how do we get into a menu?
Frequency step.
Ah, right. So transit CTCSS.
CTCSS.
Okay.
One H. One 9.
Okay, that must be the lock button again.
Lock.
Yeah. Okay, so it's locked, so you unlock it again.
Unlock.
Okay. off.
Baofeng channel mode.
Okay,
Menu.
that's pretty much the same as any Baofeng by the looks of it. Obviously I need to go through the menu
Frequency mode.
system just to see
Channel
what
mode.
is different. It does seem a bit like it's not like it's quite tough. Well, it seems quite tough anyway. Okay, so oh, I just pushed transmit by mistake there. So that's yeah, new Baofeng. As I say, I've got two of them for some reason. Can't remember why that was. But anyway,
Frequency mode.
this should be interesting to get into it and see how you program this. Anyway, so there you go. It's a Baofeng UV21. There you go. So, have a good night everybody, and I'll see you soon with a programming guide on this one. Bye bye, 7 3s.